Hey guys, my name is Emma. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to transform some of my summer clothing into my fall wardrobe. I've picked a few summer pieces that I think would work for this year's fall fashion. I have about 5 outfits to show you. I haven't purchased any fall clothing this year yet, so this is gonna be all based off of my summer wardrobe / my fall wardrobe from last year. I don't know if I'm qualified to do this, so I think we're just gonna jump right into it. Hopefully this will show you that you don't always need to buy new clothing every single season. So without further ado, let's get into it. Okay, so this is my first outfit. I decided to go with this Victoria's Secret black bodysuit. I think it's really cute. I don't like wearing it on its own because I think for some reason it doesn't fit me the way that I would like it to. So I just paired it with this black blazer. I feel like it makes it look more reserved, and blazers are really in right now, but mine is really short and I would like to have that like dramatic, like longer look, but I'm just, you know, sticking with what I have. So this is what we have for now, and I'm wearing these American Eagle jeans, and I just paired it with this belt. I don't mean to be like that cliche and pair it with this Gucci belt, but this is the only belt that I own that I actually like because all the rest of mine are falling apart. So this is what we have. I also paired it with these heels. They're basically these block heels that have like 2 straps. They kind of look like sandals. I think they're from Steve Madden. I think I'm gonna try something really quick, so I will be right back. Okay, so I stole this blazer out of Evan's wardrobe. It is big for sure on the shoulders, but I just wanted you to see kind of what my vision was for this. I don't know, I think besides the huge shoulders that this outfit's really cute. I really like the length of the jacket, maybe just like a bit shorter, but this was definitely more of the businessy but sort of sexy look that I was going for. I think you can wear it to a whole bunch of different places, and it's pretty fall weather approved because you can slip this off, you can keep it on depending on how warm it gets or how cold it is. I think we did okay with the first one. I think this isn't too bad. We'll go to the second outfit. So I don't know how I feel about this one. I tried to go with a dress that was kind of more of a neutral color. So here I have this cheetah print-esque dress. Has this frilly bottom. I thought it was fun, but for fall, I wanted to, you know, do that thing where you put a sweater over your dress and have it look like super cute and cozy. But I don't know if I'm feeling this. I don't know if it's the dress, the sweater. It could be me, but we tried. We really did try. I guess I'll show you the shoes that I'm wearing. We have these, I don't want to flash you, these checker Vans. I feel like it could work in theory, but like in person, it's just like, you know. Here's our next outfit. I have on this Urban Outfitters skirt. I think it's very fall colors with the yellow and the black. I really like this color combination with the yellow and the jean jacket that's blue. Those colors together are just so pretty. I have the skirt paired with this white long sleeve. I think this is cute alone, but I think the jacket really amplifies the outfit. I feel like a jean jacket is just so easy to pair over anything. I feel like it makes it very fall. So the shoes that I'm wearing, I didn't know what shoes to wear. I chose to be more dressy, so I have them paired with these pointed-toed white booties. I feel like they look like a go-go boot, if you know what that is. You could also wear something like this with just slip-on Vans, high-top Vans, regular Vans, and any other pair of shoes. This is the next outfit. So clearly this is the summer piece that I have. It is just like this crop top with some lace over it. I think I got it from Shein, and I paired it with these ripped Hold on, I have a mask in my pocket. I paired it with these mom jeans just because I think it's pretty flattering when you have like a tight top and a loose bottom, or tight bottoms and a looser top. I added a flannel over top. I got this flannel thrifted, I believe. I kind of like the contrast between this like more soft, delicate top and this plaid print, and I paired it with these platform bands. They're white. They have a checkerboard on the back. I have 2 more outfits that I'm going to show you. So this is the next outfit. I actually like this one a lot better than most of the ones that I already tried on. I paired this Abercrombie and Fitch sweater with these really cute American Eagle flare jeans. I don't know if you can see the flare, but let me just do one of these. Yeah, I really love these jeans. I wore these jeans a lot this summer. I decided that I wanted a belt because I tucked this in and I feel like it was missing something. This is the belt that I'm wearing. It's just a belt that came with this pair of dress pants that I bought a while ago. I told you I have really shitty belts, so that's why I wore the other one, but I didn't want to repeat a belt that I already wore, so that's why we're going with this one. Yeah. Okay, with this outfit, I am wearing these heels. They're the ones that I wore with the first outfit. I'll just show them again just so you can see. They're these like block heels. Super cute, really, really comfortable. I think you can go somewhere nice, out to eat, or it can be like just a casual outfit, especially if I pair it with a different pair of shoes. I think we're getting somewhere. Okay, here is my last outfit. I actually really like the combination of this one, so let me break it down for you. I am wearing this top that I got from Windsor kind of recently, I'm not gonna lie. I did buy it like 3 weeks ago, maybe a month ago now, but I just saw it and I fell in love, honestly. It's just this corset top. It's corseted in the back. It clips in the back. I don't know what this is called. I don't know if it's like a type of corset. I'm not really sure. I'm not that intelligent when it comes to types of clothing, but I really love it. I like that it has these poofy sleeves. I'm wearing my cardigan off the shoulder just so you can see them because they're super cute. And I paired this top with these American Eagle pants that I actually wore with a different outfit, but I really love them, and I also love that it's a little bit more form-fitting and it just flares at the bottom. It's just perfect in my opinion. I also have on this Urban Outfitters cardigan. I really like the contrast of the light nudes in the shirt and the dark brown of the cardigan. I paired this outfit from these sandals that I got from the shoe department, Shoe Depot, whatever it's called. But they're basically these brown sandals that I've had for a very long time. I've worn them honestly to death. They're falling apart, but they're so comfortable, and I think it just goes really well with this outfit. Now, it doesn't really get that cold here in California during fall. It normally is around low 70s, sometimes high 60s. That sounds like fall weather, but it does get up into the 80s sometimes. It just depends on the day, honestly. I like to layer just in case it gets chilly at night or it's still hot and I need to just like take some layers off. But yeah, this is the look. This is definitely one of my more favorite outfits of the bunch, so we're just gonna end it here. I hope that you all have an amazing fall, and just remember that you don't always have to buy new clothing for every single season. You can just repurpose the clothes that you already have. I hope that you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching if you made it this far. I hope that you guys have a great day, a great week, a great month, and I will see you next week with a new video. Bye!